What's the meaning of bovver boots? Bovver boots. Bovver boots.
Bovver boots. Bovver boots. Bovver boots is a British slang term for heavy, thick-soled boots often worn by skinheads and other subcultures associated with hooliganism or street violence. These boots were typically black and lace-up, and could be used as a weapon in confrontations with rival groups or law enforcement. The term bovver itself comes from the word bother, indicating the boot's intended use in causing trouble or intimidation. While still occasionally worn by certain fringe groups today, bovver boots have largely fallen out of mainstream fashion.